In this video, we'll be learning how to make French fries. Hello guys, welcome you all. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Let's get into the quick recipe. So here I have taken 4 raw potatoes. Peel them and slice it. And then drop them immediately in the chilled water. So I chopped all the potatoes. Boil some water. Once the water is hot, drop these potatoes and cook only for 3 minutes. Do not overcook it. Now let's drain them. On the other side, I have a pan. Heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, drop these potatoes into it. Cook at medium to high flame for only 2 minutes and then take it out. You can store these half-cooked potatoes in the freezer for a week, and whenever you need it, you can take them out and fry it. Gently stir it. As you can see, the potatoes haven't turned into golden. I haven't cooked completely. Now transfer it to a Ziploc carry bag or cover and freeze them for about 30 minutes minimum. So it's almost been 30 minutes. Heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, drop these potatoes and fry it till they are golden brown. Cook it in the same way as I have done. Cook at medium flame. Drop the excess oil. Add some salt and a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it. Our French fries are ready to be served. Thank you.